to Cooking with Joy, where cooking is simple. Do you know in 2009, an estimated 6.1 million metric tons of eggs were produced worldwide from a total laying flock of 6.4 billion hens. So today, we want to share this simple and delicious recipe, flan napolitano. You will need 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and my secret ingredient is 14 ounces of whipping cream, 4 eggs, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sugar, cajeta, 5 cups of water, aluminum foiled, butter to grease mold. Turn your oven to 400 F. Get your blender ready and add all the ingredients except for cajeta. Add your cream cheese. Add your sweetened condensed milk. Now add the sugar. Now add vanilla extract. Now add 4 eggs. So yeah, here's my secret ingredient, heavy whipping cream. So yeah, here's my helper.
Thank you, Chef. So we have our blender all connected and we mix and mix.
And now grease your mold with butter and add cajeta. Empty your blender mix and cover with foil.
Now that your mold is covered, put it inside your pan with water. Now we put it into the oven. Bake for 50 minutes to an hour.
After baking it, let it cool down. After cool down, turn it upside down and add more cajeta on top if you want, or decorate with fruit. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Please click the like button, subscribe, then click the bell icon for notification. Thank you and see you next time on Cooking with Joy.